morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has lost 1% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator has diminished into the neutral area. Bitcoin has gained 12.8% in the last 3 sessions. The ATR shifted into the high volatility area. The price of gold has added 2.3% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator has moved sharply into the negative area. The price of crude oil has gained 1.4% in the last 2 sessions. Stochastic has bounced upwards into the positive zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Top U.S. and European oil and gas companies are forecast to swing into a second quarter loss after coronavirus lockdowns destroyed fuel demand. The U.S. manufacturing sector is regaining momentum, although rising COVID-19 cases threaten the recovery. The recent good news on the regulatory front for the crypto market has sent Bitcoin surging over 8%.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The UK mortgage approvals will be released at 6:30 GMT. The U.S. wholesale inventories at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. pending home sales at 1200 GMT. The U.S. crude oil inventories at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. Fed interest rate decision at 1600 GMT. And the Japanese retail sales at 2150 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.